Hi everyone, happy March. I hope you've had a wonderful February. Last month was a wonderful month and I've really been enjoying working more closely with some of you with Notion coaching and custom designs. For March, I have some exciting things coming up and some partnerships and new and updated templates that I'm looking forward to sharing with you all. I also wanted to share a few announcements. I just uploaded the new monthly freebies, so make sure to grab those here. The new workshop is announced for the end of March. You can RSVP using the link in the description or newsletter. This one will be all about the 12-week year, which works great for starting on April 1st. Be sure to check out the blog for any new articles that might interest you. I also wanted to share the latest template launched on the store, which is the Getting Things Done Notion template, which is inspired by David Allen's GTD method. There's currently a 40% discount sale on most templates with code March40, as well as Learn30 if you're interested in the Notion course, which you can find here. Finally, if you're interested in Notion coaching sessions or custom design workspaces, feel free to reach out through a discovery call. I'd love to chat with you. I hope you have a wonderful March and let me know if you ever need any help with Notion or digital productivity.